Welcome to another LeaveBoard video. Today we will discuss about employee directory and why such software is important for your company. In this video we'll be covering 5 topics: the definition, the use cases, benefits. We'll do a short video with the demo of the employee directory solution, and you have a teaser on your right side, and at the end we'll have some key takeaways of this video. I hope you will enjoy it. So what is an employee directory? An employee directory is a central repository of your employee information. What kind of information, what kind of employee data is stored into this database? So you will see that the employee directory software is storing personal employee information such as the name, the role, the contact information, phone number, team manager, departments, hire date, birthdays, and other working or contractual data as needed. Why do you need an employee directory in your company? So as your company grows, you will store more and more information. Many times you will need a phone number or just an email, or if your company is already, let's say, more than 20 employees, you'll have several teams. You will need to know who is in that specific team, and such a solution is helping you to keep track of who is in your organization, their records, in a safe, secure, and accessible way. Why it's important to use it? So when you have all the data centralized in an easy to follow, errorless, and secure solution, your information will be easy to discover. It will be safe, and it's so much effective in running day-to-day people management. The common uses of the employee directory are, as you can see in this slide, numerous, and in the following slides we'll discover much more benefits, but practically I will stick to 3 use cases, which are searching for specific employees, having a particular organizational structure, teams, departments, offices, and having access to the employee records. And all this not scattered across spreadsheets or Google Drive or email, but in a single source of truth. What are the benefits of such employee directories? Well, the benefits are many, and we have split them into 3 groups: employees, employers, and small and medium businesses. And we'll go one by one through each. So having access to easy employee data, knowing who is who, and understanding what is the approval workflow, and the team managers and the HR leaders and the directors, it's extremely important. And having all this information always updated, so when a new employee comes to your organization, it's key, and gives you a lot of leverage compared to static Excel spreadsheets. The benefits for employers, again, are many, and range from boosting working relationships between the workforce, gaining employee insights through analytics, as you see in this screenshot, strengthening the company culture through information such as work anniversaries or birthdays, or using digital services which are fast and dynamic, and help also with the onboarding new hires. The benefits for small and medium businesses, again, are different compared to the, the, the benefits for the employees or for the HR leaders. However, they are very important. So handling leave allowance for each employee, allowing to search through a database of hundreds of employees in seconds, having records for all of them stored into one location, which is safe, which has daily backups, customizing the permission and access levels so that confidential data or data specific to only one team or only one department to be visible for the other employees. It's extremely important not to have everything into one single location. And you can personalize so many things which will give you leverage over the long run, because this is just one module from a human resource information system. The other substantial benefits for fast-growing businesses are that you will have all the employee data into one location. As you see in the screen, there are information regarding the position, the teams, the country, and who is the approver very easily in your face. And you can personalize and edit all the details which you need with ease, and you can invite new employees and you can filter these results, and you get instant results. An employee directory helps you to scale your business faster. The directory will give you the possibility to create new teams, will give you the opportunity to be more dynamic, be more agile, and be more efficient, because you will not need to configure multiple systems like SharePoint or Access or other legacy solutions, but have everything in one place. And this is accessible from any device. It's online, it's cloud-based, and it's always available to you. With an employee directory software, you can set up multiple offices or departments all across the world, and because of the permissions functionality, you can limit the access of the employees into these offices, either at company level, either at their office or team level. So in this way, confidential data will not be shared beyond the borders of that specific team or office. Moreover, you will simplify onboarding. You'll have all the employee records synchronized in one location, which is accessible and facilitates a lot of business dynamics and people management, and you will see that this is very, very easy to use. Some of the features of the employee directory include um, employee profiles, employee records, having easy access to their data, configuring the data, and as this employees, as the workforce, it's changing roles or changing team, you can easily adjust that. And if you have more granular needs in your organization, this is also possible to um, deal with in a very innovative employee directory. And the best and the easiest way to show you that this is the case would be to do a live demo and show you how it works and how you can use such a solution in your advantage, how to modify the workflows, the managers, and discover some new functionalities which we recently launched and we're very happy about. And here I want to show you the HR analytics. Okay. So we're into the LeaveBoard.com website, which is our HR and leave management software. And as you go on the main site, you see that we have a module or functionality, which is the employee directory and records. And all the details which I showed you are presented on this website. And I will log in with my demo account to show you exactly how it looks and feels. Yes. Okay, as you see, we have a single sign-on functionality, and this is the main dashboard, which provides already a lot of information regarding who are your employees, when they will be absent, what is their work schedule, what's my balance of leaves, who is off today, and a very automated book time off form. But today we'll focus on the employee directory. So this is our employee directory. As you see here, we have more than 10 employees in this account. You can see the approvers, the positions, teams, office, country. All the information can be filtered by a specific team or by a specific office or by a specific approver, and this works very fast. You can also see if you have fired someone, who are the people which are not any longer in the company, and you can download this information. You can invite with ease new employees. You just need the email, the first name and last name. With companies which are larger, we definitely help with onboarding all your team members. Let's go now to the teams. So we see here that I have created 4 teams. It's super easy to create a new team and to add new members. And how to say this, it's reflected into the overall company structure. For each team, we have a team manager. We have some analytics, how many employees are in each team. Pretty much it's the same with offices or departments, and again, they help on providing an extra level of granularity when it comes to visibility, access level, privacy protection, and we have worked hard to make this functionality available. And lastly, we have a new functionality which I'm very excited about. It's the HR analytics or insights, where you can identify what's your headcount, what's the average age, what's the tenure, how many teams and offices, and how to say, if you want to work on and improve your company culture, you have access to the future birthdays and the future work anniversary, so to plan better the next yearly employee evaluations or the next meeting with the director, or discuss about the salary increase. And one thing which is extremely important is that for each for each employee, we have the employee records and the possibility to go much deeper into detail. But before that, I wanted to show you how fast it's the the search module which we have built. So you can type any name of the employee. So you saw that it's instant, and how to say, this really helps when you have 100 or more employees. But it's not only easy to find the employee name, it's very important to have more details about each employee. So when you click on one employee, you have the employee work profile and some other elements which will go in a second. So we have this settings icon here. You can change with these things like the team, or who is the approver for this employee, his employment date, and you will get automatically the years in service, and if you work the working hours or the working days, you will change the working schedule. There are lots and lots of automations linked and related to this functionality. The solution, it's responsive, so it works on smartphones and tablets as well. And you have like a leave history here, where you can cancel the request, or send reminders, or see when you took some day off and what's the status of it. You have a balance of absence, what's your next leaves for each employee. And it's very important to have like more granular details, like birthday and emergency contacts. This also helps with compliance, and a very interesting functionality. It's the possibility to control and adjust allowances, of course, as an administrator, because not all the employees have access to such high level functionalities. And let's say this employee worked for 2 days during the weekend. I just updated it, and you will see that there are 3 days transferred or carry over from last year, and adjusted 2+1 existing, so the employee has now 18 days in his allowance, and he used only 2 this year. We're just at the beginning. With this, I would like to go back to my initial presentation and let's see what else we have here. So we have seen how the solution works. There are some other modules which we will discuss in a future video, but this is just to give you a flavor how useful and how dynamic and how fast and how intuitive and how easy to use is the employee directory software from LeaveBoard. And yeah, with it you will have a much better perspective overall in your company. It will improve the team collaboration, it will improve planning, it will improve onboarding, it will improve, overall personnel management and resource allocation. And as a business owner or as a HR leader, it will definitely help with data processing compared to other legacy solutions or spreadsheets or SharePoints. If you want to make the employee directory a successful addition in your organization this year, you will have to make the switch. You have to make the transition. You'll have to create such a software, something like your company's intranet, and you have to start using it. You'll have to provide fresh data, and because of the automation, because of the fact that every time a new employee is joining the company, this will be a live employee directory in which the information is fresh, it's always there when you need it, and it will facilitate so many operations within your organization. And how to say, this is much different than a static old style solution. We hope that you enjoyed this presentation. We hope that you have much better understanding what means an employee directory and how it works and what are the benefits and the importance of it. You learn why it's important to have something that it's easy to use, something that it's centralized, and why such a solution contributes to the return of investment in the management of your workforce and helps to reduce time with personal operations. So we're LeaveBoard, we're HR and leave management software. We have a employee directory module which comes in a bundle, and our solution is free to use for organizations which are less than 9 employees, and it's only $135 per month per employee for larger organizations. We help with onboarding your team, we help with the initial configuration, And every time you have questions, we're more than happy to help. So what are you waiting for? Go to leaveboard.com and register, invite your employees, and start using like a pro an employee directory software that helps you be more efficient, more agile, and more dynamic in your day-to-day operations. Thank you and good luck.